Hello and welcome to my first video on Metromile. They call themselves per mile insurance, and this is the stuff they send you in the mail about a week before your policy is about to start. So they kind of have you read this, and they give you the equipment that you need to install this in your car. So I'm going to open the box. So basically you get this device. It's supposed to plug into your OBD port, onboard diagnostics port. It comes with a quick start guide and a help card. So in case you're curious, there's nothing here on the back side of this sheet. Just wanted to show you how easy it would be to install this device in your car. This is the equipment that you get for when it's 96 or newer. It has that OBD port. Here's their contact information. And here's the quick start guide. I actually didn't read this, but it seems pretty straightforward. So I'll show you how you do it. So anyway, I'll take this, go to my car. My car is a 99 Toyota Sienna. It's newer than the 96, so all we have to do is plug it into the onboard diagnostics port. This is my car right here. You gotta locate it. Oh, where is it? I think it's here. Oh, so there it is. So then I'm just gonna plug this in. You see how the pins will have to align? I'll just plug it in like that. There. Installed. Okay, so in my second video, I'll show you the equipment that you get for a 1995 or older vehicle to plug into your onboard diagnostics port. Thank you for watching my Metromile video. Just want to make sure it's on good. And there we are.